This is not your average bird. Meet the clever Penduline Tit, master architect of deception remes. Pendulinus is a small songbird from the family Remisidae native to Europe and parts of Asia. These tiny builders craft intricate hanging nests from plant fibers and spider silk shaped like a soft pouch dangling from tree branches. But what makes them truly fascinating is their use of two separate openings. One serves as the real entrance for coming and going, while the other is a false doorway designed to confuse predators when danger approaches. Intruders often target the fake hole, wasting time and effort while the bird and its chicks remain hidden inside. Safe from harm, this clever adaptation helps protect their young from snakes and other nest raiders, increasing their chances of survival in the wild.